Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change your Lexus LS430 key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Slide this button and pull out the emergency key blade. This blade will help you access the battery compartment. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the key case. Insert the screwdriver into the slot where the emergency key was removed and twist carefully. Once the key case is open, you will see the circuit board and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This will ensure you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery using a small, non-metallic tool to avoid damaging the contacts. The Lexus LS430 key fob usually requires a CR1616 battery. Now it's time to install the new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR1616 battery ready. Carefully insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just as you observed with the old battery. Press down gently to ensure the battery is securely seated and makes good contact. Try to avoid touching the battery's flat surfaces with your fingers. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key case and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.